We thank you for being there. Accountability, transparency, and passion for job are some of the propelling qualities that keep one going either in public or private sector, irrespective of the situation or challenges. This is the submission of guests at the retirement party of the former branch controller, Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Abeokuta office, Alhaji Wahab Lanre Osteni, as he bows out of service. Akim Jimo reports.
It was an evening to behold where encomiums galore characterized the retirement party of the former controller, Central Bank of Nigeria, Abeokuta branch, Alhaji Wahab Lanre Osteni. Former colleagues and associates from across the country converged on Abeokuta to honor one of their own, Alhaji Osteni, who also clocked 60 in the land of the living.
He knows the work and he's a very frank person. If you annoy him, he will tell you outrightly.
He is honest and straightforward, dedicated, and has a national outlook.
Anybody who have one reason or the other to come across him while in service will testify to the fact that he's a very upright man.
He needs us to know that whatever decision you are taking as a leader, you should have it at the back of your mind that definitely you must step on people's toes.
The celebrant and his family members were full of appreciation to God for his benevolence and protection thus far.
Excellence is the word, and discipline and higher productivity to help the nation among other agencies. That we have always achieved, but we want more. That will be an optimum excellence.
He wants the best for us and for everybody around him. That's certain as well. So he's a good person, a genuine soul.
The sexagenarian was thereafter presented with assorted gift items in recognition of his numerous contributions to human capital development and societal advancement, even as he cut the retirement and birthday cake. Alhaji Wahab Lanre Osteni holds Bachelor of Science degree in Economics from University of Ilorin, Kwara State, and backed doctorate degree in Business Administration from University of Delaware, United States of America in 2017, as well as several other professional certificates. He joined the services of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Ibadan branch in 1989, crisscrossed various branches of CBN nationwide before his retirement after 34 years of meritorious service. In Abeokuta, Akim Jimo, NTA News.